Hello all of my geometry friends, this is Mr. Longo, and in this video we are going to cover inscribed quadrilaterals. So an inscribed quadrilateral is basically a quadrilateral that is inscribed in a circle. So it's made of 4 inscribed angles. So by now you know that inscribed angles inside of a circle will equal half of the arc. So what happens when we inscribe a quadrilateral? Well, you're going to have 4 inscribed angles, but it's the opposite angles that have a property. Let's check it out. So if I wanted to find, we'll call this angle A. What I would have to do is look at the arc that it makes, and it makes 20 and 100 degrees, so it's a 120 degree arc. Now we know that that means angle A is going to be 60 degrees. So what if we went the other way around and we found, we'll call it angle B. If we went this way around the circle, it would be the other part of the circle. So that would be 100 and 140, which would be 240. Obviously, if a complete circle is 360 degrees and we take away the 120 degrees we just found for this blue arc over here, we would have 240 left, and half of that is 120. So I want you to notice that in an inscribed quadrilateral, opposite angles are supplementary. So they will always add up to 180 degrees if, in fact, all 4 angles of that quadrilateral are on the circle. That's how we inscribe a quadrilateral. So it's really that simple. So here are 2 practice problems with that property that I would like you to pause the video and try. Should be very easy to do. Why don't you just take a minute, see if you can find x and y for the first example. And for the second one, I want you to solve for x and find the measure of angle AB or arc ABC. Go ahead and give it a try. So for the first one, opposite angles are supplementary, so x should equal 140 degrees. And for y, you should have 60 degrees because, again, opposite angles will add up to 180 degrees. So when you're working with equations or expressions, to set up an equation here, you would not set those equal, you would add them up to 180 degrees. And then you would solve for x and get 4x is equal to 160, so x is equal to 40. Now that we know that x is equal to 40 degrees, we can substitute that in to x here, and we would find out that this is 60 degrees, and substituted here we have 120. So to find ABC, the arc we're looking for, it's just going to be double 60, because remember, if the angle is half the arc would be double the angle. So arc ABC would be 120 degrees. Alright, that's it for this video. This is Longo and I'm out. See you, bye.